Oh, almost just fell on my back right there. Oh, we are out here in the doom and gloom. Nobody at the boat ramp. So yesterday I tried to force this frog bite that just was not happening. They were up shallow on some brush, and I had like 4 or 5 strikes where they would just come up and slap at it. Some of them had the frog completely submerged, but anyways, yeah, I was hard-headed and kept on throwing that frog, hoping a big one would just come up and eat it. But today, I might try to do something a little bit different. Who knows, they might be eating the frog. I see some schooling activity out there. They're actually coming up. Oh, one has it. Good one. It's a good one. Oh, it's a catfish. Man, he donked it like a freaking giant. Tempted to keep you. I'm gonna let you go though. He's still back there. Here we go. Literally the same spot I missed that frogfish yesterday. All right, a healthy one, probably 2.5, maybe 2 3/4. Dinky boy. Small one, but he T-boned it. No, it came off. All right, well, looks like I'm not gonna catch much this episode, but I just wanted to get a video out. I haven't posted on YouTube in a while, so, but about maybe was it 2 or 3 weeks ago, I ended up catching my PB though. It ended up being a 7 1/4, 7.25. Yeah, on a free rig. I threw a free rig a little bit today. Me and Stefan put in at his community dock that day, and we had a pretty good day going. It probably had like 15 pounds or so, 15 to 16 pounds. And yeah, the last spot of the day, we hit it, and I just did a random cast out there in about 20 feet on a rock pile, and yeah, I didn't even feel the bite. Just my bait started swimming away from me, and when I set the hook, I couldn't even move it for felt like 5 seconds. And at first I thought it was a catfish, and then me and Stefan both saw the line start rising. So yeah, right when we saw the line start rising, we knew it was a bass, and right then we looked up, and it was probably about 50, 60 feet from the boat, maybe a little bit further, probably like 70 feet from the boat. It comes up and jumps about two of its body length out of the water. And a pontoon boat was actually rolling by. It was an offshore spot, and they threw it in neutral immediately, watched me fight it. I fought it for a good while at the boat, let it take some drag, and yeah, Stefan got the net out and netted it, and right when he got that thing in the net, I knew it was a PB. So, but yeah, I'm regretting not filming that day. It was so hot that day, so hot and humid. It was probably like mid-90s. Humidity made it feel like over 100. I just didn't feel like wearing the camera. But that just goes to show you I need to wear it every time. Oh man. All right, it's getting dark. Guess I'll see you guys next week.